Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are heading to North Sikkim. So it will be 2 nights 3 days trip. So right now we are heading to Bajra stand for our sharing cab.
We left Gangtok at around 9 am and headed to Lachung.
So right now we have stopped in our first spot, a small waterfall, as you can see behind me. It's small but it is really wonderful.
We stopped in this place to have our lunch at around 12:30 pm. Then we stopped near this beautiful lake known as Dikchu Lake. And the lake was naturally greeny and it was really beautiful.
So we just stopped in this beautiful waterfall. The view over here is really awesome. So you can hear the sound of the wave of the waterfall, and it's a bit cold over here. So today's night we'll be staying in Lachung. Right now it's 3 pm. By evening we'll be reaching in Lachung. So it will take more 3 hours to reach there. So let's go.
So we reached Lachung at around 7 pm and we was totally tired and we slept away. Next morning we headed to visit some beautiful place known as Zero Point and Yumthung Valley.
Finally we made it to 0 point. So the temperature over here is very less. It's around 0 degrees Celsius and the altitude is around 15,000 feet. So it's quite freezing over here. So if you come to this place, make sure you have totally warm clothes, and the view over here is really awesome. Just look at it.
I quickly set up my drone and captured some amazing views from the top.
So right now we just stop in this beautiful valley known as Yumthung Valley after coming back from 0 point. So the valley really looks awesome, totally surrounded with mountains. So the valley is between two mountains, this one and this one, and it really feels good over here, and the view is really awesome. We just click some photos. So if you come to North Sikkim, please visit Yumthung Valley and 0 point. So from this Yumthung Valley, we'll be heading back to Lachung, and in Lachung we'll be having our lunch. After that we'll be heading to Lachung, and we'll be staying today's night in Lachung.
So that's all for this video. In next part I will travel from Lachung to Lachung